foodies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the crew, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Turn on that notification bell, guys. Make sure it's set to all so that you'll be notified every time I upload. So y'all see what it is. We got wings, cheese bread, Philly cheese sandwich, pizza, and pasta, and brownies and cookies. Whew, somebody was hungry. Let me say my grace and we can get started. Father God, bless this food that I'm about to receive. That will cost me harm, make nourishment from my body. I ask and I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. First thing I want to try is this. Oh, yeah. I don't know anything about this, but I feel like, ooh, I feel like they burned everything. I don't know how I feel about it. It's okay. Not bad. Actually starving, y'all. I'm so hungry. Yeah, they got like, looks like some kind of mozzarella and like, you know, I mean, not some kind of mozzarella, some kind of yellow cheese along and mozzarella. Tastes pretty good. It's okay. I could do without it though, but it's good. These, what y'all know about these? You should totally have it. Go right ahead. This is their garlic parmesan wings. So good. Y'all, this is so good. If they sold the sauce, they could just give me the sauce. I make my own chicken at home. Are you a flat type of person or a drum person? I'm gonna be honest, I'm a drum person. I do like flats for dipping, but I'm a drum. I like the drum better. I think it's because I can eat it with one hand. Versus this, you have to split them apart. Unless you don't care to get that meat out. And that never happened to me. I must get my meat. You'll not eat chicken if you leave it meat. Okay, and here is the pasta. This is chicken carbonara, you guys. Oh my god, I love this pasta. I'm just gonna have a little bit of this. What would you like? Oh, it's so good. It's got like bacon. It's got onions, mushroom with this carbonara sauce. If you've never had chicken carbonara, then you might not know what I mean about the flavors that's coming up out of here. But this one, it don't taste like your Italian, expensive Italian restaurant carbonara. It just, it'll do. It might need a little salt and pepper too. But it'll do for me. You want to charge for food? Cause we're over there eating. Okay, then I put it where Coco at. So you can eat. They burned the paper on all my stuff. So that tells me that they did burn this stuff. This, my friends, this is a lot of bread. I do not suggest that y'all eat all this at once. Ooh, excuse me. Don't eat all this stuff at once. If you like this stuff, what you do is you eat it. You know what I mean? You pick your poison. Don't do it all at once. I do not recommend that. It's some brownies. The cookie brownies over there. Very well. And it's some pasta over here and some cheese bread. You want to taste the cheese sticks? They're good. Okay. You want to try the cheese sticks? I don't know. So, let me show y'all. Oh, they burnt it. Okay, so the bread don't normally look like this. It normally don't look like this. Girl, they was in a hurry. They got the oven turned all the way up. Ooh, I can't even eat this. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. They burned that bad. So, we're gonna put that bad boy not in that. Yeah, I will have a slice, a pizza. I don't never get something else, do I? I be messing up, I told y'all. That's why I had to hurry up and get one, cause I be forgetting. I'm sorry, I had to feed my kids, y'all. What the hell? They hungry too. So I just wait till they're ready to eat. If I'm in the middle of a video. And then they can always just, you know, eat whatever. But, y'all, let's talk about this topic. Now, y'all, maybe y'all don't know, but when I'm working, I don't really listen to music all the time. Sometimes I'm watching YouTube. And matter of fact, I've been processing a lot of these orders. You guys, get your hairband, your nighty band, pinkandpurplehair.com. They've been selling a lot, so I was processing orders and stuff, watching YouTube, and I saw that Wendy Williams, everything that Wendy Williams is going through, basically, the mistress is posting him and her and throwing shots through his page, his Instagram. And even if it is him, to talk about this woman's health after she is trying to cope with losing her husband, her best friend, to a trifling homewrecker / mistress, you and him got a whole lot to pay for. So y'all know I would never side with that situation. Absolutely not. And I just feel like it's wrong. It's not funny. I just feel bad for her, y'all. Pray for her, because only God knows what she's going through. And I seen like a picture of her, I was like, oh, she looked bad. She looked real bad. The devil is busy. People is gonna burn in hell glass and they ain't draws on. Look at this one. Whew. And some, I'm hot. I mean hot. Sorry y'all, my children keep interrupting me. But karma is a real life thing. Whatever you put out in the universe is what you should expect to get back. And to continuously dragging that you took her husband in her face, or him to continue dragging his ex-wife, with whom we all know he still loves, why? Don't y'all feel like you hurt her enough? Why? I just don't get it. Another thing, y'all, I got ice in here that's melting with nothing in it to drink. That's all I got. But to keep doing that to her, like, it's what you put out is what you should expect to get back. Because karma don't owe you nothing. But when she comes, when it reverses, is real for both parties. You don't do people like that. You don't keep bullying people, like all the stuff people be doing over here. Talking crazy. You know, like, and for what? I don't know. I just know that you don't do people like that. Karma is gonna come back. Bullying people for no reason. Complete strangers that you don't even know. That's something you just don't do.
You got in the room?
Nope, I'm done eating now.
Are you done? You still got some more?
This ain't for that's your food.
Okay.
But and then the people who, not people, but it was one person trying to say that I'm trying to get clout off of Gabby. I hate to say I was right, but like I said, I know I'm not the only one in the world who knew that she was dead. I felt it. I said that it was bothering me. I was losing sleep behind it. And to be honest, once they found her body, I made peace with it. Like, I'm still so invested in it, like wanting them to catch him and, you know, just watching things. But oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm watching, but I feel a little bit better. I feel like, I don't know, I don't feel so like anxious about it now that she's been found. I don't know. I don't know why it's this way. I just wanted whoever said that. It's not about clout. I literally talk about this with my family. Like, Jazz probably tired of hearing about it. I call my daughter, who I live in Wisconsin. She probably tired of hearing about it. Curtis probably tired of hearing about it. Coco ears probably done fell off. I talk about it all the time. Like, y'all, when I said I was losing sleep, I was losing sleep because my brain is just thinking, and like my soul was just. I would prefer flavored water, but I do. I don't know if I could drink this water.
I'm tired, but it's just messed up though. So, Coco, I'm recording. So, I'm glad her family can put her to rest and just, I can't even say move on. I don't even know what word to use because I couldn't even imagine. I couldn't imagine bearing a child. And I definitely couldn't imagine thinking about what my child was thinking when this person that they trusted and loved did this. Just in case y'all haven't heard, she's been ruled, not only has she been found, but today that coroner's ruled it a homicide. She was murdered. But I said that in my last video. I knew what he did. I mean, I can't explain it how
I felt it in his actions. His actions said a lot. And I really feel like, I wonder if he was any other race than white, would it still be handled the same way? It was so many mistakes made. I listened to the 911 call. The 911 call, the person who called said that he was slapping her. And he was basically kicking her butt. And so that probably could have saved her life. Y'all remember in the last video I said God sent her savior was the police. God sent them there to save her, and they failed her. I said that because the scratches on his hand, that's like, if somebody's choking you, you are definitely going to be trying to get them off, and you're gonna scratch their hands. I can't see any other reason why she would be scratching him on his hands. Police ignored that. The other thing was, they were saying that it was a domestic dispute, and I went, got me a brownie. Okay. Okay, anyway, they were saying that she was the aggressor. I'm not sure who the 911 caller was. Did they tell the police that, or did they leave that part out? I don't know. But they came saying they was responding to a call that she was hitting him and punching him on the arms and stuff like that. Like, whew, I don't want to get too far into it, y'all. I think I've diagnosed myself as an empath because I move on from there. So anyway, right now I'm just enjoying my brownie and the water. Excuse me. I just hope they find him. I mean, he right in jail. Another thing I seen today, they was trying to say it was a sonogram on the ground in the video next to the van. Like, I mean, that'll help with motive, but my thing is, yeah, there's no way they're gonna be able to read that. But anyway, ooh, that was good. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, y'all. If I get another text on that phone on the screen to the top of my lungs. Sorry for all the background noise in this video. All the background people walking past in my video. Please excuse that.
This is why I usually like to do my videos when it's just me and nobody is around. That way it's only my noise, it's only my movements. So please excuse that. Hopefully it didn't distract you guys too much. But I am going to go ahead and get off of here because Curtis is ready to eat now. And so he got to get his food and everything. And then that's going to just be more people in and out. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. And this time y'all got to do the dance with me because it's just me in the video. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye, y'all.